everybody, it's Terrence and I am back with another video. But before we begin, if you have not already, go ahead and click that subscribe button right over there somewhere. And make sure to click the bell icon just so that you can stay updated with any content that I put out. I put out videos every single Saturday. So in honor of spooky season, I felt like I should do some super spooky stuff. If you didn't see my super spooky video from last week, it was me reviewing old profile pictures that I used to have. Go check that out. I will leave the link in the description below. But for this week, we're gonna take it one step further. We're gonna get super spooky, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do some Halloween makeup. Or I guess I'm gonna be following some makeup tutorials. I don't know. Regardless, today I am going to be doing some Halloween makeup. You guys get to come along on that ride with me. I've never ever done makeup before in my life, so this should be a great time. So I got this this horror makeup value kit because I don't want to spend $400,000 on makeup that I'm gonna do for one day. It has a bunch of colors. It has like this green and this white and gray and this like goldy color and black and more black. It has like liquid latex, horror flesh, gel blood, and then these like makeup crayons. It has some sponges. I think that's fake blood stuff. I don't know. All the stuff is down here. I got it for $12.99. I felt like this was like one of the most comprehensive packs at the Halloween store that I went to. So I got it so we can do some makeups and it'll be great, probably, or maybe it won't be. The makeup that I decided that I was gonna do that would probably be the easiest was the skeleton. Oh wait, whoops. Skeleton. As I said before, I've never done makeup before, so let's see how this goes. Oh wait, I gotta be like the beauty gurus. This is the Halloween palette. Yes, we have lots of different shades. Oh, okay, it spilled everywhere. All right, so we're gonna take off our glasses, and if you know me, you know that I cannot see without my glasses, so that's cool, and I don't have a mirror. So the first thing we're gonna do, because I want to do a full face thing, we're gonna glue these eyebrows down so that we have a flat palette. Let's get that done. Oh wow, it's fun. All the MUAs on YouTube are quaking right now. All right, so I'm gonna wait for these babies to dry so that I have a flat surface, and I will be back. All right, so first I'm gonna start by mapping out where I want the like the dark places to be, because that's what the videos told me to do. So let's do that. I'm gonna be using my phone because again, I can't see, and I need a mirror. So there's that. So let's, oh, this is actually working a lot. This is working way better than I thought it would. You guys, this is really hard to do. Wow, those ones are not even connected. That's fine too. Everything's fine, everything's great. Those don't look similar at all. That's cool. Those supposed to go like right here, right? Literally, like, MUAs, I'm coming for your gig. That's what's happening right now. Then I'm supposed to just color it in. So I'm gonna take this black, and I guess just fill in the spots with this weird piece of sponge. Is anything even coming off? Oh wait, yeah it is. This might be actually just be easier to do with my hand instead of this weird sponge. Honestly, coming for your looks. Halloween K18. I'm in there, I'm in the building, and literally people are gonna be quaking. I feel like I'm literally rubbing sponge on my eye. So I just started using my finger because the sponge was not working. So I'm gonna continue doing this. Oh wait. I need you guys to see this professional makeup artist application. Honestly, hire me to do your brows, because could a brow get better than this? The answer is no. I also don't want to get heavy black Halloween paint in my eye. Also, as I'm doing this, I'm realizing that maybe in kindergarten I skipped the part about coloring in the lines. But you know, Halloween is supposed to be scary, and this is gonna be scary. Also, on the instructions on the Halloween makeup, it said to use your finger anyway. But I just feel like that's not really a thing. I see why now why people like go to school for this specifically. Also, I just stuck crayon up my nose, so that's another real thing. Honestly, shook. Who is she? Apparently it needs to go over here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but these lines are not straight. Like they're not even like attempted. Wow, that's really close. We're not gonna worry about it because we're gonna fix it. It's fixable because clearly I'm a pro makeup artist. Honestly, it's so hot right now. Oh, that looks so bad. Blend it out, kids. It's fine. Everything's great. Everything's fine. All right, let's continue with this is a look. This is a whole look. So we're gonna go put some teeth around here. It's fine. Everything's great. Yeah, so this is a fail. So we're just gonna fill this section in, and the skull is gonna be toothless, and I'm okay with that. So now for the finishing skull effect, I'm going to be adding in white into all of the brown spaces on my face because skulls aren't brown, kids. They're white. Honestly, how many makeup artists are literally shaking in my comments right now? LOL, probably none. This would probably be going better if I had any type of makeup application device and not just my big fat finger. But you know, literally quaking because I'm so hot. I've never looked better. Like and subscribe if you agree. Like and subscribe if you disagree. Like and subscribe. If a kid came to my door looking like this, I would probably still give them candy, honestly. Like the packaging said that using your finger would blend it out. Do y'all see any type of blending? Because I don't. I see nothing. I see this, whatever this is. The tutorial said that this was beginner level. So clearly, I'm not even beginner level, so that's cool. Don't want to mess up my details. All of the white is just smearing into the black because my finger is too big to actually control where it's going, so that's another positive. I love it. I'm here. Wow, I don't know whose skull looks like this, but I'm very sorry for them. This looks honestly more like a bad stage clown. So this is my completed look. I think I'm honestly ready for Halloween. I'm probably the scariest skull that you've ever seen in your life, and it's okay. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you made it this far, thank you so much. If you are not already, go ahead and follow me on my other social media. It is HelloooTerance with 3 O's and 1 R, exactly how it's spelled here, and on every other social media platform that I have. And with that, you guys stay hydrated. Have a good spooky season. I will catch you guys in the